Alright, we just got our new ItWorks Greens Chews in. And now we're having the family try it for the very first time. Here we go, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Eat it.
Eat it, baby. What do you think?
I like it.
Wow.
What do you think, Kiara?
I like it too.
Is it yummy?
What does it taste like, Kiara? What does it taste like to you? What do you think, Elena? What does it taste like to you?
Cherry.
Mm-hmm.
Cherry.
That's pretty good.
I like it.
That tastes better than a Starburst to Daddy.
Yes.
Mm. Yeah? You think?
Yeah.
It tastes better than Skittles too, huh? What do you think?
No.
Skittles better?
So it contains the antioxidant strength of 20 cartons of blueberries. So that's like eating 20 big old things of blueberries.
It's delicious.
It boosts your body's natural defense against free radical damage. And it supports healthy nutrition and digestion with prebiotic dietary fiber. So now you're going to be extremely healthy.
Oh yeah. Those are delicious.
Hi.
But the problem is going to be only eating one, right, girls?
Take it one. Alrighty. Awesome. Greens Chews. They're delicious.
Family tested.
Family approved.